Let us take a step further and let us understand how you can analyze these survey results with the help of AI. So let's say you have sent out a survey to some of your users and you got responses in the form of a sheet over here or an Excel. Now, generally, you would be getting the responses in the form of sheet like this, as you are seeing over here. This is a sample. These are some sample 10 records for one of the surveys that I had created in past. Okay, so you can see over here, this is what it is, and this is basically the survey results that is analyzing the checkout experience. Okay, and whatever user has selected, you're going to see all this information like this. So let's say you have got these kind of responses over here. Now, one simplest way to analyze these results is basically to copy this entire thing. Okay, copy this entire data and head over to any sort of LLM. Now, one of the LLM or one of the AI applications that is very popular is ChatGPT. So I have it open over here. You can just say over here, cluster. Okay, so cluster these survey responses into top 3 themes. Okay, so I'm trying to like get the theme of the responses over here, and I've pasted all the data and I will send it to AI. Okay, so here it's telling, got it. I clustered the responses to 3 main themes based on repeating pain points and feedback patterns. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to synthesize the data that I have got into main themes. Okay, and what issue users are facing. And themes is helping me get some information. And over here you can see theme 1 is delivery fees. Okay, and it talks about visibility, fairness, and impact on abandonment. So here you can see many users said delivery fee info was clear, but still labeled the fees as high or unfair. Okay, and high delivery fee was a direct reason for the abandonment in multiple cases. Now, suggestion over here that we are getting is lower the delivery fee or offer discounts or free delivery thresholds. Okay, so you can see over here, and representative responses is high delivery fee, which multiple users have suggested, and low delivery fees is a suggestion over here. So this is theme 1 as analyzed by ChatGPT. Theme 2 is payment method limitation. So users are repeatedly reporting that preferred payment method was unavailable. So basically, if that's the case, okay, so you can see over here credit card and PayPal were commonly mentioned as missing. So if a payment method like credit card or PayPal, which is quite popular, that is missing in your checkout flow, then you should basically explore adding more payment options to improve the conversion rate. So here, what you're doing is you will be directly building a feature with the help of engineering team to basically deliver this. And over here in theme 1, basically you will be working with the operations team to analyze, operations and business team to analyze if you can improve on this. So can you reduce the delivery fees in a way, or what business impact it is going to make. So all of this you need to discuss with business or operations team. Theme 3 is checkout process around length and speed. So some user described the checkout flow as long or difficult, and here the suggestion could be faster checkout. Okay, so you need to review this with the help of UX team. So yeah, this is these are the top 3 themes over here that came out of this. Now see over here, this response or this input from AI we got within seconds, right? So here AI did the job of accelerating you towards understanding this data. Of course, you can manually go through and sort out the data, of course, and I would also recommend that you should not completely rely on AI 100%. Yes, it can accelerate, but it can even make mistakes. So you can see over here the disclaimer. Okay, ChatGPT can make mistakes, check important info, but from my experience, a lot of times, or majority of the times, not a lot of time, majority of the time, 99% of the time, ChatGPT is always right. Okay, but you should also have this habit of cross-verifying things, right? So yeah, this was one way in which you can make use of simple stuff like ChatGPT, and you can just paste the data in a simple way, and you can get the summarization or identify the themes that are within the responses. Now, keep in mind when you're copy pasting data, you should retract or you should get rid of any sort of sensitive information. Now, here in my data, there is no sensitive information, right? There is no user email or anything like that I have in this data. This is clean data. So I would recommend you take the data, get it into a new sheet and clean it up a bit, and then use it for the AI. Okay, this will help basically make sure that you are not exposing any sort of sensitive data to the AI models. So this is done. ChatGPT is one. You can make use of Claude, okay, which is a AI model from Anthropic. So if you search for Claude AI, you're going to see this website, claude.ai, and you can go over here, create a account, and here you can see. So I'm not going to sign up over here, but this is similar a chat model, and it works in a similar way to that of ChatGPT. Okay, and Claude is basically good for longer text surveys since it can handle large text documents really well. Okay, so if you find that ChatGPT is not giving you good responses, or if you have some other preferences, you can make use of Claude anytime. Then you also have things like Notion AI. So if you're getting all the data in Notion, so you can make use of Notion AI, or you can even make use of AI within Google Sheets over here. So if your organization has enabled Gemini in your workspace, so what you can do is I'll select everything over here. I'll say right click, and here you can see Analyze with Gemini. So I'll just click on Analyze with Gemini, and I'll see this top tab coming over here, and it is going to analyze this data for me. So here I got the response, okay, and if I scroll up, okay, I'm getting some like tutorials over here, but here if you scroll up, you're going to see, okay, you can see it has given you some nice charts as well. Okay, so here you can see understanding the fresh carts checkout process. So this is how the data is segregated here also. So you can see all these graphs it has given you. Okay, you can ignore this if you don't want to see. So how many people are satisfied, how many people are unsatisfied, and how many people are very satisfied. So it has segregated it like this. Okay, you can even insert this over here for analysis purpose. Then over here you can see this is a survey data from first time users of Freshcart, and it is giving you these patterns. So you can see mixed checkout process over here. It is evenly split between 40% finding it easy, 30% finding it moderate or difficult. So you can see over here delivery fees and payment methods are significant pain points. Okay, so this is what we got from ChatGPT as well, and this is what Gemini is also telling us. Okay, so it did not have credit card and PayPal as options. Lower the delivery fees and more payment options are key areas for improvement. Okay, opportunities for streamlining and retention. It is saying shipping information is most common stage where users stop or consider stopping the order, 40%. Payment method and review order is contributing significantly, 30% each. So you need to improve on these two methods. Long checkout process is one improvement point. Faster checkout should be there. So this is basically the analysis of the entire data. So you can make use of Gemini as well. Okay. So this is how you can make use of LLM tools to basically get, or I should not say get, it's helping you get themes, or it is helping you get grouped insights based on the survey results that you get. Okay, and you are not only getting the data, the understanding of the data. You're not only getting the understanding of the data, but it is also helping you save time. Okay, now imagine here I only have 10 records, so I can even do this manually, but imagine if I'm having thousands of records, right? So in that case, this gives you a good, first look towards what your users are saying. All right, I hope this is useful so far.